Alright, so back at it. We'll be beginning with the first room and hopefully see how this goes. So we got Linux client shell bash. This should be fun. So we got here shell bells. Bells to access material, start machine. Let's join the room. I'm not really interested in the video. The story. The unthinkable has happened. McSkitty has been kidnapped. Without her, Wareville's defenses are faltering, and Christmas itself hangs by a thread. Don't panic. Excuse me. But panic won't save the season. A long road lies ahead to uncover what truly happened. The TBFC, the best festival company team, already brainstorms what to do next, and their first lead points to the TBFC Web 1 a Linux server processing Christmas wish list. Somewhere within its data may lie the truth, traces of McSkitty's final actions, or perhaps the clues to King Malhair's twisted vision for Eastmas. Learn the basics of Linux command line interface. Okay. Explorer is used for personal objectives and IT administration. Connecting to the machine. Don't need a attack box, but I do need a VM. Alright, so start machine. Acknowledge that. Please download your new configuration file from the access page. Your previous configuration file will no longer work. Okay, let's well shit. So let's fix that real quick. Was not expecting that. No, I don't want to view it in full screen. Let's fix that real quick. Okay. Um, Manage account. Alright. Details, don't need none of that. VPN, VM and VPN settings. And select your region closest to you for the best performance. North Virginia. Online. Access details. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Alright, and download premium configuration file. Alright, clear LS. Alright, CD session. Clear LS. Oops. Alright. Oh, okay. So, before I even do that, let's verify it's actually in there. Okay, it is. Okay, so path equal. Oh, no, wrong. Don't want to do that. Path equals path semicolon slash user slash sbin echo path. Okay, cool. So now then, and, oops, wait. When you have shit for memory, you kind of have to do this over and over again. All right, so and slash US East 1 red dot flag dash premium dot OEPN open VPN command not found. Path is path. Okay. So echoing the path environment or the local path environment. User local bin user bin USR bin. See, I did URS instead of USR. Okay, that's why. Okay. So new instance needed. No problem. No less. Echo. Yeah, see, it actually clears it when you do that. So mistakes were made, sir. Let's see if that actually cleared the path out. It did. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So port path equals. Now let's modify our path. It's gonna be USR instead of the SBIN. Echo. The environment path. And yeah, it's there now, so we should have access to it now. So open VPN. Before I even do that, let's go ahead and make sure. As I said, can't type. Gonna be cheeky about it. and go. Version NA, come on, initial trust. Let's see, and initialization sequence has completed. We are connected. Cool. So let's refresh this. And let's verify we are connected. So I'm thinking if I'm not mistaken, the connection page is 10.10.10.10. And we are connected with our internal. Cool. Alright, so I'm not really worried about that. Let's go back to it. And this video is already 11 minutes long. Holy crap. Anyways. Alright, so we're already a member of the room. We got them. Don't care. Exit. No, I don't want to do that. Power off. I don't want to terminate the machine either. Yeah, I do actually. No, cancel. Yeah, because I'm not trying to do... Okay. Which we will be doing, so don't need that anymore. Oh, I do actually have to start that. There, yeah, but I don't want... machine timer, exit machine timer, exit split view. There we go, that's what I want. Cool. I don't really care about the split view, so let's get going with this. Ooh, watered down Mountain Dew. Go figure. Alright, so. And we're going to do this the lazy way, so. Actually, I'm not. So it's 1065. 154, 43. Yes, let's keep a fingerprint of that. Next case password is going to be AOC 2025. So AOC 2025. I forgot the exclamation point. so let's clear this. Shrink that down. Check that off. 16 of 21 questions for the first challenge. That's cool. Alright, so working with Linux command line. We'll navigate the file system, ls. Switch to the directory by running cd guides. You will appear at home. Let's see. Run the ls command to list the content of the guides directory. It will be empty. Looking for hidden files. Okay, so Thing Minkel King Malhair. From Hopsec Island is preparing for an attack. Not sure what his goal is, but exploits on our servers are not good. I like that. Exploits. Be ready to protect Christmas by following this Linux guide. Check var, log, and grep inside. Let the logs become your guide. Look for eggs that want to hide. Check their shells for what's inside. P.S. Great job finding the guide. Okay, so there's our first flag. Oh, this is a long one. List directory. Oh, it auto-completed for us. Okay. Okay. Shit. So you legit actually have to stay along this. Okay. So CD var logs. That'll work. Log. Oh shit. Okay, so that is a lot of logs. Alright, so that didn't work. It only was needed with grep. Searches for files with specific parameters such as the name, find. Okay, so the find command that I tried earlier, in the last video, to see if you actually need the apostrophe to run files that start with a period, was wrong because I was doing find space dash F, I believe. And I didn't add the directory for it, so that was probably where I screwed up. I actually need to add a directory. Wait, no. Bug. Nothing. Okay, find home. It says to use the star, but I mean, alright. Oh, there it is. Next strike. Cat wish list. Sort unique. Temporary file. So it casts a wish list text and sorts it. Creates a new file called unique. Sorts it by unique characters and then dumps it into a new file called temporary dump. It removes the wish list text and echoes Christmas is fading. That's pretty funny. Then it moves the Eastmas text to where the wish list text was and echoes Eastmas is invading. Okay. Is invading. So, can I still see what the wish list text was? No. That's an encryption in the journal. Okay, so system log to gzip. There's quite a few system logs. Is invading. Right, it did say it was clear. Sir Carrot Bane at Hopsec is the one that did this. It's created by Sir Carrot Bane. I'm wondering if that's actually to the second and redirects output. Carrot Bane attacks. Clear that the server has been breached and the Christmas wish list has been replaced with and EMIS 1. Although you find no clue of what happened to McSkitty, at least you know the attackers were there. You can see how Sarah Carabane replaced the wish list by visiting from the VM's web browser by clicking the fiber icon on the desktop. Blah, 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 blah. Items. East Miss is Easter Christmas because it's blinking out between Easter and Christmas. So East Mass is Easter Christmas. That's pretty funny. There's a command line. Commands to view and manage your system. For example, alt time to see how much time your system is running. IP address to check your IP address, and alt to list all processes. You may check the usernames and hash passwords of users, such as McSkitty, by running cat etc shadow. However, you need root permission to do that. Yep. You can switch the user to root with sudo su and return back to McSkitty with the exit command. Only root can open exit and edit the system. Is that a flag? Where am I at in flags, actually? Which command would you run to switch to root user? So I do actually have to check out the bash history command. Okay. Bash history command in the core file. Oh, it'd be in the bat roof directory. Okay, duh, makes sense. Fix pass frag backups. Got a feeling I'll be coming back to that in Snap. But for now, THM until we meet again. So there are side quests in this one. Okay. I ride with your session, not with your chest of files. Open the little bag your shell carries when you arrive. So it sounds like a session token. The tree shows today, the rings remember yesterday. Read the ledger's older pages. When pixels sleep, their trails sometimes whisper plain words. Listen to the trail. Find the fragments, join them in order, and use the resulting passcode to decrypt the message I left. Be careful. I had to be quick, and I left only enough to get help. And McSkinny is kinda cooked, apparently. And that is it that's it for the first challenge. And apparently I earned one Advent of Cyber Token. Advent of Cyber Ticket. Another victory for Wareville. Okay, continue. Your skills are skyrocketing. Turns out you're built for this. There's a what you did feature. Demonstrate your expertise and stand out in the cybersecurity community. Boost your visibility and highlight your dedication to professional growth. Alright, cool. Let's continue. You did it. Wareville is one step safer. The townsfolk are counting on you to keep Christmas secure. Head back to Wareville to continue your mission. Alright, well, until we meet again, that is the end of this challenge. So, meet again soon.